Twitch, a popular live streaming platform, allows you to watch game tutorial videos, esport competitions, and so on. As a viewer, you may not always be able to catch them in real time, and you cannot get access to past broadcasts if streamers do not activate the video on demand function. In this case, you can record and save Twitch stream to watch it later and again. Now you need a super easy to use recorder with high quality and no lag output, called VideoSolo Screen Recorder. The future live streams can be automatically recorded and ended by task schedule and auto stop, so you no longer need to sit there waiting for the beginning to the end. Locking one window or excluding other windows makes sure the streams will never be covered by anything else. Apart from that, real-time screenshots, multiple output formats, and trimmer are all the features you will enjoy. Now, let's go deeper into the steps. Get the download link in the description below. Now open the Twitch streams, launch our software and click on Video Recorder. An alternative way is to select Window Recorder, then only one window will be locked while recording. Choose Task Schedule, press on Add New Task, name it and set up the exact starting date and time. Just remember not to keep your computer in sleep or lock mode while recording. Then, go to Stop Set to customize your video length, stop time, and file size if needed. Choose to record the full screen or customize the recording area. Click on Add Exclusions and select the windows that you don't want to capture. Then turn on system sound and adjust a proper volume. Turn off the microphone sound to eliminate noise. Now it's time for the output setting. Choose the location of your files, set up the format, video quality, and frame rate by several clicks. The quality of video and audio can be lossless for sure. Now let's hit the rec icon to start recording Twitch streams. If you need to save game highlights as images, click on the small camera icon to make screenshots while recording. Once finished, click on the red stop button, preview, and trim. Then press Done. The list will be shown on recording history. On the right side, you can always use these pretty cool editing tools to trim, compress, merge, or convert your videos. Now let's enjoy it. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.